The 3M AdFlow powered air respirator is specially designed to meet your welding needs. It can help you to feel more comfortable by providing a continuous flow of filtered air into your helmet. And with the particle filter and gas filter, the AdFlow respirator can help protect against both particles and certain gases. A powerful, lighter weight battery helps increase your comfort up to a full shift. The new lithium-ion battery drives the brushless motor and its turbofan, drawing ambient air through several layers of filtration. The first layer installed in the unit's outer cover is a spark arrestor for screening out hot metal particles. Next is the pre-filter, which extends the service life of the particle filter. Regular replacement also helps increase the battery runtime. The particle filter provides high-efficiency particulate filtration and should be replaced whenever the battery operating time becomes too short. As soon as you turn on your AdFlow respirator, a display indicates the status of the particle filter. Green light means that the unit is working normally. One red light indicates that the filter is clogging up, and you should consider filter exchange depending on desired operation time. When the second red light is seen, you will shortly get an audible alarm as the filter is so clogged that the airflow level cannot be maintained. If this alarm is ignored, the unit automatically turns off. When in need of protection against certain gases, you just add a gas filter to the particle filter, all in one system. An optional nuisance odor filter can be an alternative to remove unpleasant workplace smells. This is not needed if using the gas filter. And you can replace any of the filters as needed. You don't need to change them all at the same time. The airflow is always a constant nominal rate of 170 liters per minute, regardless of the battery's charge or the particle loading of the filter. For hot, humid jobs, you can increase the airflow to 200 liters per minute by simply pushing the on button a second time. The 3M Speedglas Welding Helmet Series 9100 brings the AdFlow system to another level, offering features like side windows, flip-up function, and excellent optics, and a wider viewing angle. Ask your 3M distributor today for a hands-on AdFlow trial, so you too can experience the flow of comfort.